there, this is Grace, and in this video, I will walk you through quick guidelines on temporarily deactivating your Messenger account on Android. Deactivating your Messenger account is not complicated, so let's get started. First, you need to open Messenger on your iPhone or Android. Then tap Profile and scroll down, tap Account Setting. Now once you come to this page from your device, now on the Messenger account, tap Choose Your Personal Information. Then tap Manage Account, tap Deactivate. You enter your Facebook username and password. Tap Continue. Now you need to choose This is temporary, I will be back. Tap Continue. You can log out of your account from here. Also, if you scroll down, choose the time that you want to reactive your account. You can choose any day, or you can choose Don't Reactive Automatically. Then tap Continue. Now check the box, tap Deactivate My Account. Now your account will be logged out. Now go back, tap and hold the Messenger apps. Tap App Info, tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data. After that, your account will be activated. Now guys, tell me in the comment section if you have any question about this topic. Thanks for watching.